Rumi the mermaid, hurt by Mira's hands, drifted away, washed onto the sand. Jinu collecting trash along the shore, found her there, he couldn't ignore.
Hey, wake up please! Can you hear me? Stay with me!
Hang in there! Trauma Bay 1, incoming! Vitals are crashing!
Her mermaid tail was gone again. Rumi cried, her hope was thin.
The scans confirm a severe fracture. You'll need immediate surgery and the cost will be substantial. Surgery now. I don't know how I'm gonna pay for this.
He worked through nights and every day, saved each coin along the way.
I know it seems impossible right now, but I promise I will help you regain what you lost.
He brought her hope back to life. She smiled again, touched the sea. Days went by, she trained once more, her new tail shining from the ocean floor. Mira watched.
Thank you so much, Mr. Johnson. We worked hard for this.
Had just begun.
You earned every penny of it.
Bright like morning gold, she turned Mira's gwi to
If we
stone.
integrate the biogel here, the articulation will be seamless.
Yes, that stabilizes the prosthetic connection.
Rumi brought the goat to Jinu's hands. Think you've made me live again. He held her close by the sea so wide, two hearts shining side by side. Waves kept singing, sunlight gleamed, her new tail sparkled like a dream. The story ends in love so true. Magic fades, but love breaks through. Across the sea, she swam away while Jinu watched the break of day. From pain was born a brighter light. Their love now goes beyond the tide.
Oh my god!
Mira, stop right here.
Oh my god, Rumi!
Thank you.
What's going on? My lover left me for Jinu.
Rumi came from fields so wide. Her heart was pure, no place to hide. She walked into the mansion grand to serve the sun with gentle hands. Jinu with his broken heart couldn't walk but still had art. Their eyes met and sparks did fly as if they knew they couldn't say why. She stumbled shy, but with a smile, he forgave her, made it all worthwhile. Her laughter melted his cold days. Together they chased the golden rays. She's his warmth on winter's night. He's her strength, her guiding light. Side by side they took on life. No more pain, no more strife. She gave him warmth, he gave her grace. They found their love in this sweet place. But fate's cruel hand came through the door, and time slipped through like grains of sand. Jinu smiled, but his strength gave way. His body weakened day by day. Rumi held him, crying deep inside. The world would turn, but she'd stand beside. With one last ride, he whispered soft, "Don't cry, my love, I'm not far off." He's gone, but their love remains. Rumi's heart bears no more change. She'll carry him in every song. His love for her is still so strong. Real ladies' faces lined with time. Three hot guys laughing, teasing with the rhyme. Candy magic can turn you young, they say. A little sugar and youth comes your way. So it takes a candy, bites with delight. She turns 20, looking fresh and bright. Mira follows, candy in her hand, becomes a beauty, the most elegant in the land. Rumi grabs her candy, heart full of hope, but a twist appears. She struggles to cope, turns into a monster, strange and wild. The crowd laughs loudly, oh what a sight. Jinu panics, grabs the candy fast, gives it back to Rumi, the spell won't last. She trembles, hesitates, magic starts to glow. A sparkling transformation